everybody, happy Thursday. I will get my part 2 entries deeper dive video up very soon. That's what I've been working on this week. But in the meantime, I wanted to catch you up with what's been going on. Unfortunately, I took a big hit with my Euro Great Britain trade. As you can see, I sold it here and it went right up. And it hit its stop loss at a minus 105 pips times 2 because there were 2 trades. Looking back on this, I really should have exited yesterday, right here, based on my Heikinashi changing color. If I would have done that, I would have saved myself probably 46 pips. Well, not a tremendous amount, but you times that by 2, that's, almost 100 pips right there. So, yeah, not so great, but I wanted to let you know that's what happened with that trade. But I do have 3 new trades for today that I wanted to share with you. The first one is Aussie yen. Okay, so we're looking at this one. We're looking at a big uptrend. However, right now, we had right here a change to our C1. Okay, price is below the baseline. As a matter of fact, it's crossing and it is within 1 ATR, and super trend has turned. So we put all those things together, and volume is good down here. Put all those things together. Whoop. Oh, sorry. We're going to take a sell. So let's sell. There we go. So we'll hope that one continues to go down. The next one is the Euro Swissy. Let me bring that up. Similar situation. We've had a big uptrend. In this case, we actually had a signal yesterday. But if you notice, there were 2 problems with it. Number 1, the price was above the baseline, and number 2, we didn't have enough volume. So going with our 1 candle rule for our C1 entries, we now see that on this second candle, price is below the baseline. It is within 1 ATR. Our confirmation indicator agrees, our second confirmation indicator agrees, and we've got plenty of volume. So that is another valid sell. And the last one is our Great Britain Swissy, or our Sterling Swissy. Pull that one up. Okay, so in this situation, similarly, we've got a big candle here. And what we're doing is we're looking for our C1 change, and we got that. Plus, we have a baseline cross. It is still within 1 ATR. It's getting close, but it's still there. Our super trend agrees and our volume agrees, so we're also going to sell that one. So there you go. Those are the 3 new trades. Hopefully they will make back some of the losses I had on the Euro Great Britain pound, but time will tell. So there you go. Hopefully I will speak to you again soon. Happy trading.